Hello and welcome back to my attempt at getting this van ready for summer. I've been thinking about water systems this time around and just the logistics of dealing with clean and grey water off-grid and whether or not there's any sort of environmental benefit of doing that. So I've been thinking about building a sink unit in the van in much the same way as we did with the kitchen unit. So I just want to walk you through what I've done in CAD first, and then I'll show you the finished result. So what I've done is designed two discrete subframes out of aluminium profile that are cut to length and tapped on either end, and then assembled using these three-way cube connectors. And then the subframes are clamped together using these 3D printed tabs that creates a nice strong and lightweight superstructure that's perfect for a camper van. I can then use the grooves in the aluminium profile to clad the structure with some 3mm plywood that just gives the structure a nice finish and actually starts looking like a piece of furniture. The bottom frame I've designed to be a general storage area, so I've built a door in much the same way that's held in place with two 3D printed hinges, and the door can then open and close with a specially designed 3D printed handle and a magnetic latch that's attached to the frame that just stops the door opening and closing while you're driving along. On top we have our work surface, which is made out of 12mm plywood with a hole cut out for the sink that can be slotted in last. That's my design for the sink unit. Now let's see what it looks like in the van. So there is the finished unit. You can see it's very similar to our kitchen unit, just with a sink and a couple of other plumbing additions, including our water heater that I still need to plumb into the freshwater tank just as soon as I install the water pump, and our sink wastes that I need to plumb into the grey water tank. But as soon as I've done that, I can bolt this down with some countersunk screws, and I'll probably add a tap around here somewhere. And then down here with our 3D printed handle and our magnetic latch that just opens into a generic storage area, and you can see I've got the power lead for the water heater there that I need to install. But other than that, looks really good.